Kim G with the overview. Happy Halloween. A very scary day indeed. But the weather's not scary. Temperatures are quite pleasant for today. We have a gusty breeze out of the south. Temperatures near 60 for the most part. A little bit warmer as you head inland, away from the relatively cool Atlantic waters. And I think we'll have a southerly wind for the next few days with this next weather system that's going to move through. So we have two weather systems to deal with over the next 5 to 6 days. And these weather systems are going to take their sweet old time getting out of here. So we will deal with periods of rain for a good chunk of Friday into most of Saturday. And then another weather system will move in for Tuesday into Wednesday. So that's basically the general theme right now. So this is Intellicast.com. This is TropicalTidbits.com. Now, the GFS model is showing that most of the day Thursday is dry and rain-free. However, it's going to be cloudy, and this southerly flow is going to persist, and we'll have gusty breezes, and we will notice overcast conditions for much of the day. And those clouds will lower and thicken by tomorrow night, and then rain will develop late Thursday night into Friday and become heavy at times. I think that we'll get a little bit of a slackening of the rain for Friday afternoon, and then another batch of rain will move in from the south late Friday night into Saturday. So if you remember last weekend where it was very rainy to start your Saturday and windy with that nor'easter that developed and moved through, now we're going to have winds out of the south, but that's going to be the only appreciable difference between last Saturday and this coming Saturday. It's almost going to be like a carbon copy with rain, heavy at times, and then ending by mid to late afternoon, and windy conditions to follow the rain as it pulls away with that front moving through. And you can even notice some snow in southeast Canada, well away from the tri-state area. But even parts of Maine actually get clipped by Sunday. For us, though, Sunday is going to be a nice day with winds starting to diminish and temperatures in the 50s to near 60. And then we'll wait for the next weather system, which will move in by Tuesday, Election Day. And this will kind of linger into Wednesday with rain heavy at times. We'll sort of see a repeat performance of what we see for this coming Friday into Saturday. And I think that you can generally tell from the extended that these weather systems are going to be slow to leave, unfortunately, when they move in. Now, for Monday, I think that's misleading. I think we don't really see any rain for Monday. I think it waits until Tuesday into Wednesday for another bout of rain. So Sunday, Monday are probably more dry than wet, predominantly dry. And look at that for Monday morning. Temperatures getting down to near 40 because of clear skies and light winds on your Sunday night / Monday morning. So all in all, an active weather period with two storms to deal with. Nothing of a severe variety, but nonetheless going to make our weather unsettled for the next 5 to 7 days.